marinate it up now, where I'm putting on onion, pepper, scotchy, scallion, garlic, bell pepper, you can see, celery. I do everything on my brown stew chicken. Okay, so this is the way I do my brown stew chicken. Jerk sauce, lots of garlic, ginger, everything I put in there, onion, right, and everything. You can see the season and everything is right here. Okay, right here, scallion, thyme is already on it, and this is the way I do it. So you can like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend. Tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do is brown stew chicken. Okay, so I have garlic, pepper, sweet pepper, and that. So this is the way. Chicken, lots of chicken. I cut up a chicken and 4 thigh. And so, yes. So you can like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to touch the notice button. And remember, follow me. Yes, like. Yes. And I'm gonna marinate it now. So I'm putting on the real Maggi. Okay. Garlic. That's a garlic. I buy the real Eve Browning. Right? Okay. Ginger powder. That is it. And lots more season. Pimento seed. I put everything on it. Pimento seed. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So you can all see. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. This is Auntie Claire way of doing brown stew chicken. But tomorrow I'm marinating it up. Soon you will see. Just like. Okay. Peace out now. Follow me, share, like, subscribe to the channel. Auntie Claire Jamaican way cooking. Okay, bye.